What is up, guys? Yes. What is up, guys? Hey, I'm wearing my Superman shirt. Not because it stands for Superman, but because it stands for the future of businesses and the future of business agreements. Something called split contracts. Let's go. All right, guys. So let's dive into it. I'm going to show you guys. If you guys don't know, my name is Jeff Caldwell with Crypto Cookie Jeff, Crypto Cookies Club. Let's go. All right, guys. So I'm going to show you guys what is a split contract. If you guys are watching the replay, if you guys are watching this on Facebook, if you guys are watching this on YouTube, let me know where you guys are from. Let me know if you guys have heard about split contracts, what you think about it, and how you, before you even watch this, how do you think you can use split contracts for your business, right? And so that's before we dive in. That's before like you get too much into it. How do you think it? Like, how do you think, like, what is a split contract? Just you personally, like just by the word split contract. And we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency split contracts, right? And so what is a cryptocurrency split contract for you in your words? What do you think it is? I'm here live on Facebook. If you guys want to comment, if you guys want to drop it, let me know. I'll be here to talk to you. Let's go. But other than that, I'll be sharing my screen and we will be diving right in of what a split contract is. And I'm going to share my screen. I did kind of write some notes beforehand because I'm going to make a blog post with this. So the very first thing is, what is a split contract in your business and how to use it, right? And so by definition, I wrote this definition myself after I Google searched what is a cryptocurrency contract, right? So this is my own interpretation. And it says a split contract is a contract on the blockchain, right? So this is something that I could see, like literally it's on the blockchain. We can see the record. We can see it publicly, right? That can be set up to distribute cryptocurrency funds to a set and predetermined number of cryptocurrency wallets. Okay, so we're going to explain what this means in a few minutes. And each wallet can get paid a percentage of those funds, right? So when you initially create the contract, you can set the percentage for each wallet. 100% of those funds will be distributed to any percentage of you that you choose. All right, so let's jump over into this little imager, right? Like, so what is a split contract, right? So if I draw, right, this little split contract, right, split contract. And so here is my split contract. Let's change the color. All right. And here's my split contract. Now, if I was to send funds to this split contract, right? And if we talk about funds, we're talking about cryptocurrencies, right? So if I was to send money, right? Where's my little pencil, right? If I was to send money, or let's just say Ethereum, right? ETH, right? If I was to send 10 ETH, right? We'll say 10 ETH to this split contract, it will get held in the split contract. Boom, right? So this is a wallet, right? So imagine if you got paid, right? Imagine if you just sold something, right? Imagine if you did some type of commerce right here, right? So this is you in your business. This is you making NFTs, right? If we jump back over here, how can you use a split contract in your business, right? So a split contract, oops, I wrote smart, a split contract, right? It can be used in many ways in your business and in place. Anytime you'd want to distribute wallets to distribute funds to a select amount of wallets, right? And so, so check this out, right? If I wanted to distribute funds to a select amount of wallets, because like let's just say, right, Crypto Cookies Club, yeah, what up, guys? All right, so if I go to the roadmap and if I scroll down, this is the Crypto Cookies Club. This is the NFT collection I created. And if you look, I created a split contract, right? So what is a split contract? So if you look, when somebody purchases, right, if I go down here, when somebody purchases one of these crypto cookies right here, right, when they mint, those funds go into a split contract, right? And then here's how it gets divided up. right? 90% goes to me, yours truly. Let's go. Right? 2% goes to my wife, 2% goes to Mr. A, 1% goes to my Jeff's mom, and 5% goes to Third Web, right? You don't have to give 5% to Third Web. They made it free, but I did. That's my developer. And so check this out. Now, can we only use this for NFTs, right? That's the obvious thing, right? If you guys want to use this for NFTs, that's the obvious thing. Plug it into your NFTs. That is super easy. But what else can we use a split contract for, right? That is what I want to know. That is what I want to discover, right? So if you guys are here live, if you guys are watching, contribute, right? Because here's the thing, S for Superman or S for split contracts. Let's go, guys. Right? So here's the thing. What else can we do with split contracts, right? So during the mint of your NFT royalties, you guys can see I have literally made it where when anytime somebody buys my crypto cookies, it gets divided up. Those funds get divided up. So if I go back to this little image here, right? If I go back to the image, what happens is as soon as funds get pushed in here, actually, I'm going to go back because it's actually like as soon as funds go in here, right? Instead of it being 210, or I'm just going to do 100 ETH, right? That's pretty simple, whatever. All right. So as soon as funds get sent to the split contract, what happens is this is what happens. If I was to show you inside what happens on this, if you were to send 1 Ethereum to this split contract that I have, right, or 10 Ethereum to this split contract, 90% would go to me, 2% would go to Jeff's wife, 2% would go to Mr. A, 2% would go to my mom, and then 5% would go to Third Web. So what would happen is these funds would now be divided up, right? So 90% would go to me, right? 2% would go to my wife, right? 2% to Mr. A, 1% to my mom, and another 5% to Third Web, right? So this is what would happen if you sent 10 Ethereum to this one split contract, right? And now here's the thing. Whatever the commerce is, this is where you in your business can get creative, right? So as we set up these little contracts, right? If I set up this contract and it's me, right? Well, I could partner and I could say, well, hey, let's launch a business together, you and me, or let's launch an NFT collection together, or let's create a software to collect together. And every single time it's paid, the money, those funds get sent to the split contract, and then both you and I get paid, right? Right. So, or let's create an NFT collection, make it when anytime somebody mints the NFT, you get paid 20%, I get paid 20%, somebody else gets paid 60%. You know what I mean? Like, think about what you could potentially do when you actually have this, because here's the thing, it automatically divides these funds up, right? So if we go into the split contract, the funds go from this wallet or whoever's sending these funds into the split contract. The split contract has it where we're all set up. We all decide predetermined how much percentage out of 100 that we're going to get, right? There's 100%, right? So if we were to set up a split contract, 100% of those funds are distributed into these wallets, and we could set up whatever percentage we want, right? So we can set up whatever percentage we want. So if we let's just say we sell a house over here, right, for $200,000, and then we convert that into Bitcoin, right? Hey, we took that $200,000 and we converted that into Bitcoin, and now we sent that Bitcoin into the split contract. Well, now those funds get divided up between whoever. This might be 90% for the homeowner, 90% or 2% for the realtor, right? 2% for the person like that, help market the thing, or whatever it is, right? So you can literally set up the entire contract through this process. I mean, I could even see wills, like wills. Like what if somebody passes, right, and says, hey, I want all my funds to be sent to the split contract, and then it's going to be distributed amongst whoever's in the split contract. You know what I mean? Like, you can totally do that. So yeah. So what kind of questions you guys got? You know, how would you use a split contract? Here's also one of the other things. I was actually thinking as a cool way to make it where maybe there's an affiliate, right? Almost you have like this was a cool idea that I was thinking. This might be a little like advanced, but maybe some of you guys will understand this. I'm gonna create a new one, and you guys can just work through this with me. I don't know. Actually, I think now here's the thing. Actually, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna stop this. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen, and if you guys are part of the Crypto Cookies Club, right? I'm going to stop sharing my screen. If you guys are part of the Crypto Cookies Club, every single Saturday, the last Saturday of every month in Las Vegas, we literally have a get together here in Las Vegas as a little like get together, blaze up and build party, 21 and up, right? For all the Crypto Cookie holders, right? And here's what's really cool is these are the type of things that we talk about, right? So we just talked about how to use a split contract and how to use it in our business. Well, at these events is when we actually like create the split contract, add the people that are part of the events, like part of the projects, and launch those split contracts, right? So think about this. The future of how we will do business will be done by split contracts, right? Because all of a sudden I could partner. What up with Austin? What up, man? Right? I could partner with someone like Austin and I could launch a collection on a token, right? Let's just say the milk token, right? And I could launch a collection and I could be part of his split contract. And then all of a sudden I have an incentive to promote a product that we've created together, right? And so you can literally partner with people. Everyone could get paid guaranteed through the split contracts that you create. And yeah, it's pretty powerful. It's pretty powerful. And so I would love to know how you guys intend or in the future intend to use split contracts, how you guys intend to use it to partner with people, because it's pretty revolutionary. This stuff is pretty powerful. And so can't wait to see it. Love you guys. Talk soon. Bye.